Hey everyone, I'm Janice. I'm the Computer Science Director at CKF, and we're excited to introduce our new series, Java Jumpstart. This program is designed specifically for beginner coders, providing detailed introductions to Java programming. Through easy-to-understand explanations and simple example questions, our goal is to help new programmers build a strong foundation in Java. This complete Guide to Java series will be a valuable resource for anyone preparing for the AP Computer Science A class, although it is separate from the course and includes both additional content as well as certain topics that are going to be excluded. So I hope you guys decide to stick along on this journey with us, and I'll now pass it off to Daniel.
Hi guys, my name is Daniel. I'm the Kaneki Foundation STEM Division President, and I'll be coming in and out of the course here and there. This course will go over really basic concepts for computer science, like variables, to important concepts in Java specifically, like polymorphism, and more important algorithmic ideas of recursion as well. We really hope this course will be really beneficial to you for the next 15 weeks, and we will see you there. Now, we will introduce the team.
Hey guys, my name is Adithya Anand and I'm a 9th grader from Whitney High School. One of my biggest hobbies is playing cricket.
Hi, my name is Mohana. I'm a rising 10th grader or sophomore, and I'm going to Whitney High School.
Hey y'all, it's Diya. I'm a sophomore at Whitney High School, and I'm super stoked to get into Java with y'all.
Hey guys, my name is Rithun Gopalakrishnan and I'm from Burbank. I'm currently a junior and I'm really looking forward to making this course with you guys.
Hi guys, my name is Hayeon Lee from Auburn High School. I'm a junior and nice to meet you guys.
Hey everyone, I'm Srinjoy Maji and I'm an upcoming 10th grader at Whitney High School. Some of the things I like to do include playing the violin, playing various sports such as cricket and badminton, as well as programming. I hope you guys have a very good experience learning Java with us, and I wish you guys the best. Thanks.